If you want to unlink your Rockstar Games account from Epic Games, the first thing you need to know is that you cannot do it directly inside the Epic Games launcher. Instead, the unlinking process has to go through Rockstar Games Support. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps, what information you need, and how to submit the request properly so you do not waste time going in circles. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software and gaming guides. Alright, let's get into it. Start by opening your browser and going to the Rockstar Games Support website. Once the support page loads, look for the product selection and choose Account. This is important because the request has to be handled under account-related support. After that, go to the Issue category and select Account Settings. Then, from the next options, choose Linking or Unlinking Accounts. That tells Rockstar exactly what you need help with. Now you'll be taken to a support form. This is where you need to be careful and give accurate details. First, enter your Rockstar Social Club nickname. Make sure it matches the account you want to unlink. Next, include your Epic Games display name or Epic Games email, depending on what the form asks for. You also need to prove that you own the account, so be ready to attach proof of purchase. For example, this could be a receipt for GTA 5 or another transaction connected to the account. When writing your message, be clear and direct. Let them know that you want to unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games and that you understand the request must be processed by support. The more complete your details are, the smoother the process will be. Double-check everything before submitting, because missing information can slow things down or cause your ticket to be delayed. Once you've filled out the form, submit the ticket and wait for a response from Rockstar Support. In most cases, this can take several days, so do not expect an instant reply. Keep an eye on your email for updates, and check your spam or junk folder just in case their message gets filtered there. If they need more information, respond as quickly as possible so your request can move forward. And that's it. The key thing to remember is that unlinking Rockstar and Epic Games is not done from Epic directly. You need to contact Rockstar Support, choose the correct account options, include your social club nickname, Epic details, and proof of ownership. Then wait for their reply. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.